How to voice comment on Facebook. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your Facebook application on your mobile device. Make sure that you are signed in into your Facebook account. To voice comment on Facebook, firstly, you need to navigate to a post where you would like to comment. For the sake of this video, I'm trying to comment on one of my posts. Scroll down until you see the post that you want to comment on. Tap on the comment option. In here, you'll find various of options of comments such as uploading a photo, GIF, sticker, or even AI generated stickers and your avatar. However, currently it seems like there is no such update for voice comment on Facebook. Hopefully, we would be able to receive a brand new update where we'll be able to voice comment. To check for such updates, it is pretty simple. All you have to do is open up your Play Store or App Store in the case of your iOS device, in which you need to search for Facebook in the search bar. If there is any update, by searching for your Facebook, it will let you know about available updates. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.